the Whiskware Tritan Plastic BlenderBall Whisk Leak. Proof Salad Shaker Bottle is a remarkable product that caters to the needs of health-conscious individuals who value convenience and functionality. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have examined this product extensively and can confidently provide a professional review. The Whiskware Shaker Bottle stands out due to its high-quality construction using Tritan plastic, a durable and safe material. The bottle's white color exudes elegance while maintaining a clean and fresh appearance. With a capacity of 2.5 cups, it offers ample space to prepare and enjoy a healthy salad on the go. One of the standout features of this product is its wide mouth, which makes it easy to add ingredients and ensures hassle-free cleaning. The wide mouth opening eliminates the need for funnels, reducing the chances of spills and making the preparation process efficient. Additionally, the carrying loop adds an extra layer of convenience.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.